Hi fellas. We have automotive update here. Eleanor Mustang from Gone in 60 Seconds no longer copyrighted. One of the accidental side effects of the 2000 remake of the movie, Gone in 60 Seconds, is enthusiast interest in building an Eleanor Mustang. Another side effect is 18 years of lawsuits that might have come to a conclusion this month thanks to a judgment favoring plaintiff Carroll Shelby Licensing against defendant Denice Shakarian Halicki. We'll start with the conclusion and what it means, then lay out the short version of the story. Halicki has held an intellectual property copyright on the Eleanor Mustang from the 2000 movie with Nicolas Cage since 2008. Reversing an earlier decision, the U.S. District Court for the Central District of California ruled that the vehicle cannot be copyrighted as IP. That means anyone can now build their own version of the Eleanor Mustang and call it an Eleanor, and Shelby Licensing can enter partnerships with companies who wish to build an Eleanor with Shelby American's blessing. We'll relate a short version of how we got here. It starts with Henry Blight Toby Halicki, who made the original Gone in 60 Seconds in 1974. While working on his own 1989 remake, he died during a stunt gone wrong. Toby had married Denice 3 months before he died. One of the items she retained in the estate was the rights to the movie name, Gone in 60 Seconds. In 1995, she closed a deal with Hollywood Pictures to do a big-budget reboot, which came out in 2000. Its star car referred to as a 1967 Shelby GT 500. She didn't apply to trademark the car, but in 2002, Carroll Shelby did. He acquired the trademark to the Eleanor Mustang in the remake and entered a licensing agreement with a Texas builder to make replicas. Halicki sued Shelby in 2004, and after 4 years of legal roundabouts, a 2008 ruling by the United States Court of Appeals for Ninth Circuit in California and settlement with Shelby granted her exclusive copyright to the Eleanor Mustang. Her lawyers tried to go further, one telling the LA Times that Halicki owned the copyright to any vehicle named Eleanor. "It doesn't matter if it was a bus called Eleanor," he said. The magic was the name, and that was the thing Shelby tried to get. As an aside, an auto historian told the Times, this whole lawsuit probably wouldn't exist if the remake had just called the car Jane. He acquired the trademark to the Eleanor Mustang in the remake and entered a licensing agreement with a Texas builder to make replicas. Halicki sued Shelby in 2004, and after 4 years of legal roundabouts, a 2008 ruling by the United States Court of Appeals for Ninth Circuit in California and settlement with Shelby granted her exclusive copyright to the Eleanor Mustang. Her lawyers tried to go. That is automotive update today. What's your opinion, fellas? Please don't forget to write down in the comment section and hit the subscribe button.